How to go about digital decluttering. In our fast-paced digital world, it's easy to let your online life get out of control. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the amount of stuff you have digitally, it might be time for a digital declutter. Here are some tips on how to go about digital decluttering. 1. Make a list of what you want to keep and what you can delete. This will help you focus on what's important and let go of what's not. 2. Go through your files and folders one by one and decide what to keep and what to delete. Don't be afraid to get rid of things you no longer need or use. 3. Once you've gone through all your files, take a look at your social media accounts. Do you really need all those accounts? Are you using them regularly? If not, consider deleting them. 4. Unsubscribe from any email lists that are no longer relevant to you or that contain too much clutter. This will help reduce the amount of incoming information that you have to deal with on a daily basis. 5. Take a look at your physical space and see if there's anything there that can be digitized or thrown away. A decluttered physical space can help create a more tranquil environment overall. Tips and tricks for successful digital decluttering. Digital decluttering can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some tips and tricks for successful digital decluttering. 1. Start with the low-hanging fruit. Identify the areas of your digital life that are causing you the most frustration or are taking up the most time and energy. These are usually the areas that will benefit the most from decluttering. 2. Set some ground rules. Once you've identified the areas you want to focus on, set some ground rules for yourself. For example, you might set a rule that for every new piece of digital content you acquire, you must get rid of 2 old pieces. This will help you keep your digital clutter under control going forward. 3. Be ruthless in your decluttering. This is not the time to be sentimental. If something isn't serving a purpose or bringing you joy, get rid of it. The goal is to streamline your digital life, not keep every single thing you've ever acquired. 4. Make use of decluttering tools and resources. There are many great tools and resources available to help with decluttering your digital life. 5. Put together a backup plan. Once you've decluttered your digital life, make sure you have a good backup plan in place so that if something happens, you don't lose all the progress you made. Consider using an external hard drive or cloud storage to back up your data. Following these tips and tricks will help ensure that your digital decluttering efforts are successful and that your digital life is streamlined and organized going forward. Good luck! Alternatives to digital decluttering. There are a number of ways to declutter your digital life without going completely analogue. Here are a few alternatives to consider. 1. Use a cloud-based storage solution. This can help you declutter your hard drive and free up space on your computer. There are a number of options available, such as Dropbox, Google Drive, and iCloud. 2. Archive old files. If you have files that you no longer need or use, consider archiving them instead of deleting them. This way, they'll be out of sight, but still accessible if you ever need them again. 3. Get organized. One of the best ways to declutter your digital life is to get organized. This means creating folders and subfolders for different types of files, and using labels and tags to keep track of everything. 4. Unsubscribe from unwanted emails. Do you have an inbox full of emails that you never read? Unsubscribe from these newsletters and other unwanted emails to declutter your inbox and make it easier to find the messages that matter. 5. Delete unused accounts. If you have any online accounts that you no longer use, delete them. This will help keep your personal information safe and declutter your digital life at the same time. It's easy to get overwhelmed and cluttered by all the digital content available today. With these tips and strategies, you can easily declutter your digital life and streamline it for a more productive lifestyle. Take some time to evaluate what content is most valuable to you. Automate tasks that don't require too much attention from you. Practice mindful consumption of information, and be careful when adding new data into your system. By taking the necessary steps to create an organized digital life, you will find yourself with more energy to focus on things that matter most in life.
Also subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive more such useful and interesting videos.